Welcome to the Weekly AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Vinay Gupta, and you have got some exciting stories to dive into today. So let's get started. Just last week, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman declared the video as a key of achieving AGI with the launch of Sora. Now Google strikes a bag with Veo 2 and Imagen 3. It's the latest generative AI models, through not publicity available yet. Product lead Logan, a clip trick, revealed that will hit API with early next year. This model handles a complex elements like reflections and shadows, producing clearer and a sharper footage. It also includes a synth ID watermarking or safely. Justin Moore, a partner at a 16Z, was among the early testers and noted that the model excelled with the creating nature and animal-related clips as well as the capturing detailed movement. The model builds as a procedure first showcased as a Google I/O in May and has since been integrated into YouTube and Google Cloud. Google Veo 2 is presented as being more advanced in terms of cinematic understanding. Veo 2 delivers lifelike visuals with the enhanced realism, reducing the artifacts and improving details. Its motion simulation accurately replicates simple and a complex movement using physics. NVIDIA has launched the Jetson Orion Nano, its most affordable generative AI supercomputer designed to make AI development accessible to all. Priced at $249, this compact device offers a cutting-edge AI capabilities for developers, students, and hobbyists. Part of NVIDIA Jetson family, the Orion Nano integrates a 6-core ARM CPU and NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, delivering up to 67 INT tops for tasks like generative AI, computer vision, and NLP. The device boasts enhanced memory, a bandwidth of 102 GBs. They support software updates that boost performance by 1.7x, ideal for exploring generative AI, robotics, and computer vision. It bridges the gap between the innovative idea and the real-world AI application. OpenAI has launched a new global phone number, 800-242 and 8478, allowing users to message ChatGPT directly. Integrated with the WhatsApp, this feature helps in expanding AI access on Meta platform, which boosts a 2 billion monthly user. User can engage with the ChatGPT for creative writing, recommendation, and project planning and trivia, although a familiar interface. OpenAI introduced as part of its 12 Days of Christmas initiative, alongside text-to-video platform Sora and the $200 per month premium subscription for the advanced AI models. The WhatsApp feature targets users with a limited high-speed data access, making ChatGPT or more accessible. However, OpenAI notes it remains experimental with the feature subject to a change. Before we jump back in the mind-blowing world of AI, if you enjoyed this video, with a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button and stay on top for all things tech. Here, why you should subscribe. IT Voice is a one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from pioneering AI advancement to the hottest startup changing the game. Stay ahead of the curve and understanding how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice for community today. OpenAI is advancing ChatGPT capabilities, are transforming into an agentic tool and seamlessly integrated into daily workflows. On the 11th day of 12 days of OpenAI, 9 new features for the desktop version were announced, including support for apps like Notion, Wrap, Xcode, and 30 more. Demonstrators showcase a ChatGPT analyzing Git comment, generative content, interacting with the macOS accessibility APIs. Advanced voice mode will also introduce a Morse command interaction. Notably, OpenAI hinted at a future agent releases in 2025, following reports of new AI agent operator amid intense competition from a Google and a Microsoft. OpenAI 01 model, launched earlier, has already benchmarks in a coding task. Instagram in revolutionizing video creations with its upcoming generative AI video editing feature, powered by Meta's a movie gen AI model. Set to launch in 2025, this tool will allow creators to edit nearly every aspect of their videos using simple text prompt, no advanced skill required. Instagram head Adrian Mosseri showcased a teaser of highlighting dramatic transformation like changing outfits, backgrounds, or even turning people to a prompt. The AI preserves fine details, maintaining edit even during rapid movements, offering a seamless result. Competing with the tools like Adobe Firefly, with the feature aims to make a video editing or more accessible and dynamic for creators and enhancing Instagram appeals and creative platform. That's all for this week of AI Digest. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IT Void for more such tech updates.